and I am very thankful for this wonderful welcome. And now I will call my friend Harshita for the introduction part, and I will be back at the end for the conclusion part. Harshita, you may take over.
Hello, am I
Yes,
audible?
audible.
Am
Please
I
go
audible?
ahead.
Yes,
Continue,
Harshita, you are
continue.
audible.
Okay. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Harshika Jaswal and I am a direct entry student. Now, post demonetization, there are two words that comes to each and every person's mind while shopping usually. Can anyone guess it? What is that two word? Come
While
on,
shopping,
guys. Huh?
while shopping, you're saying
While shopping, yeah.
that's the favorite part, na?
Yeah. So, can
Um,
anyone guess it? It's very
yeah, we
simple.
do
Yeah.
usually do online transactions. You're talking about.
Yeah, something related to that only.
Okay.
So,
Net
okay,
banking. Net banking.
you're very much closer to that. Okay, then I am only telling what is that two words. That is Paytm Karo, which we usually say after the monetization, right? So, me and my team is here to share the success story of Paytm. Now, what is Paytm? Paytm is a mobile e-commerce company which has carved its name within short span of time. It is a digital payment platform founded in August 2010 by Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma in Noida. Now, he is a personality who believes that मीन्स उन्होंने इस चीज पे उस काम पे मजा देखा जिसमें कि लोग बाकी लोगों ने उन्हें कहा कि तुमसे ये काम नहीं हो सकती उस काम में उन्होंने मजा देखा वो उस टाइप की पर्सनालिटी है एंड उन्होंने उसी सोच के थ्रू एक पेटीएम की स्टार्ट की he initially started this e-commerce come online wallet to make payment for limited utilities like mobile and DTH recharge and shopping bills. But over the year, this company has expanded its scope and brought about anything and everything under its operation. As now we can make any type of transaction just at one click, like whether it would be transferring cash from one account to another, or like booking online tickets, or like paying electricity or water bills. We can just do it at just one click. Just we have to do is that we have to transfer cash from the bank from bank to our Paytm wallet, and we can just make the payment through Paytm. As we know, India is aiming towards becoming cashless, right? So I think Paytm is a perfect example to become cashless India, uh, to become cashless India, because Paytm is providing various options to small vendors and retailers to use Paytm as a mode of payment where customers can make payment to them using QR codes only.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Harshita. We
Yeah.
forgot to disclose the judge for this session. So for
Okay.
this presentation, I would like Shruti Sakpal to judge your presentation. Can I get a confirmation if Shruti Sakpal is present? Because the camera is off. Shruti Sakpal, are you there? Okay. So may I request Shivangi Joshi?
Yes.
Shivangi Joshi, you'll be the judge for this presentation. We'll speak to you in the end.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so as I said that Paytm is helping India to become cashless as it is providing option to vendors and retailers to use Paytm as a payment mode where customers can make payment to them using QR codes only. So here I conclude my introduction of Paytm. Now my friend Umang will continue with the struggle story of Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the founder of Paytm. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harshika. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Umang Jain, and I am going to tell you the struggle story of Vijay Shekhar Sharma. I will start with a quote that will describe him in a way. To the winners who won because they didn't give up. इसका मतलब ये है कि winners वही होते हैं जो कभी give up नहीं करते. Starting with his struggle, born in Aligarh, small town, Vijay was good at studies. His father was a school teacher and mother was a homemaker. Most of his schooling was done in Hindi. Now the struggles of Vijay just began. The English struggle. After finishing his school, he hardly knew how to read and write in English. He realized that it is important to learn, so he borrowed some books from his friend and started to read them. But this didn't help him. So he read consecutively two books, English and Hindi, to crack his Delhi College of Engineering examination, and he did it. But the struggle continued, as he was not good enough in English as compared to his colleges. His company, XS Corp, started its operation. Vijay took a loan of rupees 8 lakhs, but he was backstabbed by his own friend. He took 40% from the amount. Vijay then started 197, the parent company of Paytm. Money was still a problem. As company grew, so as the requirement of investment. The money earned from the business went into paying rent and salaries. Then, Mr. Piyush, who requested, he coincidentally bumped into the owner of Polo Software, Mr. Piyush Agarwal, who requested his help. Piyush asked him to become the CEO of his company, but he denied because he had his other company to run. But afterwards, he agreed to his proposal. He is the CEO of company. There comes a moment of decision making that he took the opportunity and made it beneficial according to him. Vijay later pushed the idea of a mobile wallet payment application which is named as Paytm, and the rest is history. Thank you so much. Now Raj will take over the presentation.
Thank you, Umang. Good afternoon and namaste to everyone. Myself, Raj Verma. I'm from Bihar. Now, my topic is uses of Paytm. So, talking about the uses of Paytm, there are percentage of so talk. So, talking about the number of bank accounts which are linked with Paytm, there are 60 million bank accounts as per date 2020. So, and number of FASTag users, there are 6 million FASTag users as per 2021. And the number of game pinned users, there are 30 million game pinned users, as you can see on the slide placed in front of you. And the number of average new payment first users, there are 75,000 new users as per 2020. And the number of Paytm first game daily users, there are 5 lakh daily active users as per date 2020. And the number of saved card on Paytm, there are 220 million saved card on Paytm as per date 2017. So talking about, so going back to 2016, there was average number of daily Paytm transaction, which was around 5 million during demonetization. And average number of weekly transactions as per users, there are 18 as per last updated 16. As we all know, the when back in 2016, the demonetization took place, and the country was sort of a cash transaction. So it was a time then Paytm gained this recognition, and it was a first platform to get a huge recognition back in 2016 as per data given here. Now coming to next slide. As we can see, there are 70% Android users as per data given here. So we all know there are small vendors and small owners who are taking online transaction, and it has become much easier for them to collect money from the customers. So it is supporting a use in the part of economy as per the data. So coming forward to next slide. So as we can see, the wallet users as per 2020, the data given here. Paytm has gained a first position, and it is a huge success for them to see here. So I would conclude my topic, and I would like to call upon Pratibha to deal with the topic of funding and profit. So thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Pratibha Mishram and I am also direct entry student. जैसे कि मेरे ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने बताया कि मिस्टर विजय शेखर शर्मा जी की सक्सेस स्टोरी, उसी के बारे में मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करके बताना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने फंडिंग और प्रॉफिट जनरेट करने के लिए क्या किया, कैसे जनरेट किया। जैसे कि हम आप अपने बार ग्राफ में स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं कि 2016 से लेके 2018 तक के नंबर ऑफ कार्ड ट्रांजैक्शन वाया पेटीएम इन इंडियन बैंक्स इंक्रीज हुआ है कंटिन्यूसली, है ना। तो उसी के बारे में मैं आगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आई विल कंटिन्यू। पेटीएम मेक्स कमीशन फ्रॉम द कस्टमर ट्रांजैक्शन थ्रू देयर usage of its platform through accounts from where it generate its revenue. Owing to the absence of its underlying capital, it offers customer no internet. As of 2019, Paytm has accumulated 3,629 crore IMR in revenue. Paytm has been in Indian market from a while now. It has a known name. Rather, Paytm is one of the most recommended site in India when it comes to buying, recharge and deal. But often people wonder about Paytm business model and how to Paytm make money. That's all. Now my friend Ritik continue with the point difficulty faced on demonetization.
Hello everyone, myself Ritik Agarwal and I am from Raipur. आप सबको तो पता ही होगा कि 2016 में 8 नवंबर को रात को 8 बजे जब मोदी जी टीवी पे आके बोले थे कि एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लिया था उन्होंने।
शॉकिंग डिसीजन था ऋतिक।
यस एग्जैक्टली, तब सब कोई जब भीड़ लगा के एटीएम के बाहर खड़े थे, तब कुछ लोग थे जिन्होंने एक पेटीएम नाम के ऐप को इंस्टॉल किया और उस पेटीएम ने लोगों को किस तरह से हेल्प किया उस डिमोनेटाइजेशन के टाइम पे और उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ, ये मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ। पेटीएम को क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ उसका, जैसे कि 2017 में जब डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ उसके बाद जो पेटीएम के यूजर्स थे वो 100 मिलियन क्रॉस कर गए। फिर पेटीएम बिकम इंडियाज फर्स्ट पेमेंट ऐप टू क्रॉस 100 million app download. After demonetization, Paytm integrated the Bheem UPI to help people, and they touched the 70 lakh transaction in a day, a new record of touching this much transaction in a day. Then Paytm also announced in January 2017 that the mobile wallet company has clocked this 5,000 crore worth of transaction, which means 200 million transactions in a term of volume. It's a very big amount, as you know. The company is now reaching new heights constantly by introducing new products, like they are providing Paytm Clouds to the public. The Paytm user doubled and the company raised the 1.4 billion US dollar round in May 2017 from Japan SoftBank. Means जापान के सॉफ्ट बैंक से 1.4 बिलियन यूएस डॉलर ज्यादा इनका वर्थ हो गया था। Even as other consumer internet companies floundered for money in a depressed economy, the company's valuation also more than doubled to US dollar 7 billion as of the last fundraise. And one interesting fact about the Paytm after demonetization, and during demonetization is Paytm was seeking to raise money in later August at a valuation of $5 billion. And after the decision of Government of India, the Paytm transaction hit 24,000 crore rupees in a day, and the company registered 700% increase in overall traffic and 100% growth to Paytm wallet. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट के एक डिसीजन से कितना कंपनी को चेंज हुआ। और ये जो आप ग्राफ देख रहे आपके स्क्रीन में होगा, इसमें आप देख सकते हैं 2016 के बाद ग्राफ किस लेवल से ऊपर जा रहा है, जैसे कि
That's a huge profit they made.
yes, 150 million, 200 million, 250 million। नहीं तो उससे पहले 50 से 100 के बीच जाने में उनको 1 साल लग गया था, बट आफ्टर दैट दे रीच 300 मिलियन। एंड अभी का डाटा है इनका 2020 का, दे क्रॉस लगभग 500 million or 600 million across। So it is a very big decision for this company. So I will conclude this, and I would like to call Yashwant Jain for tell about Paytm, what they did in the pandemic for us. So Yashwant, continue with your.
Can everybody please switch on their cameras and smile a little bit, please? सब सोते हुए दिख रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है भूख लगी है, मम्मी की खुशबू आ रही है क्या किचन से? Keep speaking, be attentive.
हाँ दी आ रही।
Talking, we need to respect
तेज खुशबू है।
speaking. Yes, Yashwant, over to you.
Thank you, Ritik, for your session. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Yashwant Jain, and I am from Raipur. And currently, I am preparing for my IPCC Group 2 examination. जैसा कि हम सबको पता है कि जो कोविड-19 का जो पैंडेमिक अभी चल रहा है, वो इंडियन इकोनॉमिक में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर, ऑटो, रिटेल, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, मतलब हर एक सेक्टर के लिए वो अफेक्ट किया है उसको। और जो उसके वजह से जो डिजिटल पेमेंट जो उससे जुड़े हुए थे, उसमें भी बहुत गिरावट आई हुई है। जो अभी लॉकडाउन लगा, उसमें दुकानें बंद हो गई, ट्रैवल बैन हो गया, सिनेमा हॉल्स बंद। तो उससे बाकी इससे क्या हुआ कि नेगेटिवली बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा डिजिटल पेमेंट में। फर्दर जो क्रॉस बॉर्डर पेमेंट हुआ करते थे, B2B, C2B, इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट में जो बैन हुआ, जो बॉर्डर बंद हुए टेम्पररी, तो उसके वजह से भी जो इंटरनेशनल रेमिटेंस हुआ करते थे, उसमें भी एक बहुत अफेक्ट हुआ। बट जो पेटीएम जो की डिसीजंस लिया पेंडेमिक के टाइम में, विजय शेखर शर्मा जी ने जो लिया कि ऑल इन वन QR कोड, पेटीएम लिंक बिजनेस खाता, प्रमोट योर शॉप और वैक्सीनेशन कैंपिंग, डोनेशन, जो ये इनिशिएटिव्स लिए, उससे कंपनी जो now the company is witnessing 350% growth in the transaction on its platform. Pandemic resulted the lockdown as the user turned digital payment for the safer manner. Increased 25% growth in number of wallet user. The same was witnessed for the first time in the time of demonetization, as my friend Ritik said. And thank you for paying attention to our teamwork. And now I would like to call Pragati to continue this next part of this session. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Pragati Bhardwaj.
सब लोग एक बार क्लैप कर लो, नींद उड़ जाएगी। Yes, please go ahead, Pragati.
I am tell about security, Paytm security. जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि सिक्योरिटी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है डाटा को जैसे सिक्योर करने के लिए या इंफॉर्मेशन को सिक्योर करने के लिए। तो मैं इसी टॉपिक में बोलना चाहती हूँ। Paytm was fully security in your account. No one to any easy to access to your account. Paytm is PCI DSS compliant in term of security. We never store customer CVV number to ensure their credit and debit card details are completely safe. All financial transactions on Paytm are done with 128-bit encryption SSI security. Paytm ID, password, it is not possible to log in. Sorry, Paytm ID password are not enough to access to your account. Even if someone tags your Paytm ID and password, it is not possible to log in as a OTP is delivered to your registered mobile number when login from new device. So the only way to access your account is to use the combination of your Paytm ID, password and registered mobile number. In recharge, bill payment, shopping and so many other purchase, it was given OTP in your own registered mobile number. Then all payment are all payment are completely successful. Wipe your Paytm money portfolio transaction and account statement regularly to verify all transaction. Every transaction Paytm are notified to you. Don't share your OTP to anyone. Immediately reach out to Paytm money customer support if you find any discrepancy in your transaction. Thank you. आगे का प्रोसेस प्रशांत करेगा.
Paytm, Pay Through Mobile, is a name or an app we are all familiar with, right? Come on, we all have it in our mobile. So Paytm in the field of e-commerce played an important role, a game changer role in Indian economy. The main motive of the Paytm was to serve as an alternative during the cash crunch in the economy. Paytm has been leading torch of innovations by including new methods and functions for payment. Now, as our sir mentioned about the decision making, so I will love to tell you about one most important decision which made by Vijay Shekhar Sharma, which made Paytm the #1 digital currency app in entire Indian market. And the decision was when he rejected the offer of Mr. Piyush Agrawal to become a CEO of his well-settled company. Vijay declined the offer because he has his own company to run. But due to such circumstances which forced him to change his mind and decision, he became a CEO of Pius company. And he also the best part was he continued with his own company too. 197, which is the parent company of Paytm, which according to me, which I personally think was the most important decision of his life during his bad time, which made Paytm what Paytm is now. So, this is Prashant Kumar Sahu. On behalf of my team, I want to thank you all for your valuable time. And a very, very, very special thank to Miss Sunaina and Miss Priyanka and our respected sir for introducing me and giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. That's
So here comes the end of the session.